Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 13th, 2025, and we're diving into Ulta Beauty's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter of fiscal 2024. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Ulta Beauty, as many know, is a leading specialty beauty retailer in the U.S., and their latest earnings report provides some interesting insights into their performance and future outlook.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Ulta Beauty reported net sales of $3.5 billion for the fourth quarter, a slight decrease from the previous year. However, they managed to increase their comparable sales by 1.5%. John, what does this tell us about their performance?
Despite the decrease in net sales, which was primarily due to the extra week in the previous fiscal year, Ulta Beauty's comparable sales growth of 1.5% is a positive indicator. This growth was driven by a 3.0% increase in the average ticket, although there was a slight decrease in transactions. Their net income stood at $393.3 million, and they delivered an adjusted EPS of $8.46, which is quite impressive.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Ulta Beauty's gross profit margin increased to 38.2%, and their SG&A expenses were slightly lower than last year. How did these factors contribute to their operating income, and what is the outlook for the future?
The increase in gross profit margin to 38.2% was primarily due to lower inventory shrink and a favorable channel mix. Although SG&A expenses increased as a percentage of net sales, they managed to maintain a strong operating income of $516.3 million. CEO Kecia Steelman expressed optimism about the future, highlighting their strong business model and strategic investments aimed at fueling future growth.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 7.06 cents for Ulta Beauty, based on a survey of 15 analysts. However, the actual adjusted EPS came in at 8.46 cents. John, what does this significant beat mean for the company and its investors?
This is a substantial beat, with the actual EPS coming in $1.40 above the forecast. It reflects Ulta Beauty's ability to manage costs effectively and drive profitability despite a challenging retail environment. This performance is likely to boost investor confidence and could positively impact the stock price.
Strategic initiatives and risks. Ulta Beauty opened 60 new stores in fiscal 2024 and repurchased $1.0 billion worth of shares. They also reported a 13.0% increase in inventory. How do these strategic moves align with their fiscal 2025 outlook?
The new store openings and share repurchase program demonstrate Ulta Beauty's commitment to growth and returning value to shareholders. The inventory increase is strategic, supporting new brand launches and improving merchandise availability. For fiscal 2025, they project net sales between $11.5 billion and $11.6 billion, indicating a cautious yet optimistic outlook.
Key takeaways. In summary, Ulta Beauty has delivered a strong performance in the fourth quarter of fiscal 2024, with significant EPS outperformance and strategic initiatives that position them well for the future. John, any final thoughts?
Ulta Beauty's ability to beat EPS expectations and their strategic investments in new stores and share repurchases are positive indicators for future growth. Investors should keep an eye on their fiscal 2025 performance as they continue to navigate a competitive retail landscape.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Ulta Beauty's performance in the comments below.